Anushi there, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok in Pakistan or India. TikTok is banned in Pakistan and India, so without wasting time, let's do it. So this video is on mobile and on desktop too. So mobile and laptop too. So first you need to go here and search for ZenWhite for Chrome. Search this and click this link if you're from like laptop. After install this extension will be here. See extension. After connected already in the United States, connected with the United States. After that, go and search for tiktok.com. Make your account and do west. So which is open. So after it open, so now for mobile, go and search for Super VPN to your mobile, like Super VPN Play Store, and go to Play Store and search for Playable or Super VPN. Install it, and after it, use download TikTok. Download TikTok and use it. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have learned something with this video, comment learned.